Good morning. This here is today's weather forecast for Philadelphia, PA, based on average highs and lows of the city. Here we can see our average high temperatures for Philadelphia. Since we're in the month of February, you can see from the table or graph that our average high is 45 degrees. Our average low temperature for Philadelphia for a month of February is 40 degrees. So you can see the range for February goes from an average of 40 to 45 degrees. Based on the quadratic regression model, we can then make an estimate of what the average high and low will be for the month of February. Again, in this purple box, you can see, since we are late February, closer to March, our average highs and lows are going to range anywhere from 40 degrees and quite possibly a high of 60 if you're looking closer towards March. So to give my final weather forecast, since today is February 26th of 2018, we can expect temperatures to range from a high of 45 to a low of 40 degrees based on our quadratic model that we have developed.